Look in the sky. Look in the plane. They rated my girl. Now it's time to rate them. First, I don't care about Superman rating my girl. Did Superman die? First, I will fly in the sky and rate Naruto, because he rated one of my girls. Eat the alien blood. Then I'll fly in the sky and rate Superman, because Superman rated me, Justin Ayeta. Then I'll eat the special papai. Shang show alien pull out. Vache bus head, vache bus head, vache bus head, vache bus head, vache bus head. Shang log, stick up pole, stick up tree, stick up other tree, stick up tree, Shang Vasa, grab this tree, hit him with it, swing it. Brave, grab Vasha, grab this tree, hit him, swing it with it. Omnitrix Dendino, hit him with it. Hit Naruto. Gently. Hit Naruto and we'll have a problem. Compadre. That was funny as hell. That's how you find them. And you find them like this. The hidden person that sits in your house and ass fucks you, you hit Omnitrix Madeira. Omnitrix Madeira, hit it, quit it. Vaisharay Sazay Valankale, punch off head. And he bleeds and lightsaber. And lightsaber his head with another lightsaber, white hammer. That's how you get the guy that always comes in your house and ass fucks you. He's pretty alien. I wonder if Pete Davidson is one of them things. Because we did get his Velogatarian. You know what I mean? Isn't that powerful, dude? Punching off heads. Sticking asses up trees. Hitting people with trees. Power of amazement.